flux of 2 times 10 raised to negative 3, 1,000 turns. Current natin is yung Ohm's law ng voltage at resistance. So 125 divided by 30, meron din po dito. 125 divided by 30 squared. So lalabas ay 4.17 joules. Number 16, a solenoid has a magnetic reluctance. Pagka mga ganito po na walang units, nakalagay lang po dyan is parang units. CGS kasi. It has 300 turns and a core area of 5. What is the flux density when the current flowing is 1 ampere? As you can see, engineers, sa ating choices, CGS yon. Itong Gauss, flux density unit for CGS. Recall natin, ano ba yung formula ng flux density? Flux over area. Pero as you can see, wala pong flux mismo, pero may reluctance. Ano ba yung Ohm's law natin for magnetic circuits? Diba sabi natin that is equal to ampere turn flux reluctance. So from here, pwede nating ilagay Ni over reluctance over area. Now inspect natin, meron na ba lahat yan? May N ba tayo? Yes. May I. Yes, may reluctance, may area. Pero take note, pagka CGS, may 0.4 pi kasi to. Ulitin ko po, yung unit na ito, yung Ni o 0.4 pi, magnetomotive force yan, di ba? Or parang voltage lang sa ating electric circuit, MMF. EMF naman sa electric circuits. Ayan, dagdagan lang natin ng 0.4 pi. So, substitute natin, this is 0.4 pi Ni 1 ampere, reluctance divided by 2.2 times 10 raised to negative 3. Divide natin by the area which is 5. Okay, CGS na yan, 5. Kaya as it is na 5. So lalabas dito ay equal to, so ang unit po dito, engineers, Maxwell na yan. Sabi nga natin, Maxwell per square centimeter ang ating Gauss. So lalabas ay 34,271.92 Gauss. Or this is also equal to Maxwell per square centimeter. And careful lang, huwag ka mag-stop sa Ni. Yes, Ni, tama yan na formula. Pero pag SI yan. Pero pagka CGS, lagyan mo ng 0.4 pi. Yun yung ating answer. Okay, permeability in a magnetic circuit is corresponds to conductivity in an electric circuit. Permeability kasi ability of the material to conduct or to conduct magnetic circuits or to allow magnetic circuits. Magnetic flux. Yan, kaya pang magnetic circuit kasi siya. Pero pagka conductivity, yan, ability of the material to conduct electric flow or electricity. Diba? Conductivity. So yun yung opposite naman pag electric circuit. Number 18. A charge is charged by a steady current of 0.0012 and an EMF or electromotive force of 600 volts. What is the energy stored in the capacitor? Kung may energy stored sa ating inductor, ganun din po sa capacitor. 1/2 CV squared. So direct substitution, engineers. Inspect pala natin kung may value tayo ng C. Wala. Voltage meron. Pero ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng another value ng C? C is also equal to, yung ating formula na Q is equal to CV. Q over V. Tama? So substitute natin Q over V. 1/2 Q over V, V squared. So substitute natin, wala rin pong Q, but recall ulit na I is equal to Q over T sa ating formula. So kunin natin yung value ng Q, that is IT over V times V squared. So substitute, engineers, 1/2 0.0012, 25 seconds divided by 600 volts times 600 squared. Yun na po yung answer. So lalabas dito ay 9 joules. Number 19. A conductor 10 cm long and carrying a current of 50 amperes lies perpendicular to a field strength or H of 1000. Calculate the force acting on the conductor. Recall natin, force is PIL sine theta. Again, explain na natin nung lecture to kung bakit may force sa ating, bakit nagkakaroon ng force dun sa magnetic circuit natin. And kasi nga, di ba, aware tayo na ang magnet may repulsion at attraction. Kaya umiikot yung mga motors, generator, ganyan. May force or torque. Wala tayong B, pero may H. Relationship ng B sa H is permeability constant. Yan, relationship nila. So, mu H, I, L, sin theta. Substitute natin, engineers. So, assume natin air lang. Nasa air yung conductor. Constant 33, 1. Tapos, written ko po, this is mu o mu r kasi. Permeability constant. Current 50 amperes, length of 10 or 0.10 meters, sine of 90 kasi perpendicular. Lalabas ay 6.283 times 10. Ito yung lalabas sa calculator nyo mismo. Raised to negative 3. 6.283 times 10 raised to negative 3. Careful lang, this is also equal to 2 pi. Diba? Ang 6.283 is also equal to 2 pi. Okay, 2 pi times 10 raised to negative 3 ang ating force, Newton. Saan ba yan meron? Ito, letter C. Pi yan, yung N na nakalagay. Number 20. A magnetic coil produces 100,000 Maxwells or magnetic field lines with 2,000 turns and with a current of 2. The current is cut off and the flux collapses in 0.001. Okay, tingnan po ng mabuti dito The flux collapses. When we say collapse, flux becomes 0. From flux equals 100,000, naging 0. Question, what is the average voltage? Meron po tayong dalawang way of solving voltage induce. Pwedeng L di dt, another po is N d flux dt. Tandaan tong dalawang to, very helpful. So out of this, since change in flux, nagkaroon ng change in flux from 100 to 0, we use the second one. Pag sinabi kasi nating D, derivative or change in flux. So 2,000, change in flux is from 0 to 100,000. Take the absolute value na lang. In a span of 0.01 second kasi. So 0.01. Di ba sabi? In 0.01. Okay, yan na po yung lalabas. Pero tingnan natin mabuti, volts yung lalabas na answer. And careful lang, ang volts, ang kapart SI kasi to. Si Maxwell, hindi to SI. Ko-convert natin yan. 1 times 10 raised to 8 Maxwell is equal to 1 Weber. Si Weber ang SI unit. So from here, you will get 200 volts, letter C. Tandaan to itong self-induced voltage ito, formula. We have two ways, change in current or change in flux. Kasi sa ganyang paraan po nagkakaroon ng induced voltage sa coil pagka nagkaroon ng pagbabago sa current at saka pagbabago sa flux. Pag walang induced voltage doon. Kaya nga ang inductor pagka steady state, mag-short yun. Pagka steady na yung current niya. Wala nang voltage. Parang nag-short na siya. 21. A magnetic circuit consists of silicon steel, permeability mu r of that specific material na steel is 3000 and an air gap. The length of the steel core is 10 and the air gap is 2. Both have the same cross section of 1.5. A current of 1/2 flows through the windings to produce 2351 Maxwell flux. How many turns are there in the coil? Yan. Lagi lang nating tatandaan yung Ohm's law natin. Magnetomotive force or this is also equal to ampere turn is equal to flux reluctance. Okay? Yan yung gagamitin natin. Pero mag-CGS na lang tayo. Kasi CGS karamihan ng given eh. Maxwell, centimeter, CGS yan. So for CGS, ang mangyayari, lagyan mo lang ng 0.4 pi Ni flux reluctance. So out of this, makukuha na natin yung unknown na number of turn. Diba ganyan? Now, ano ba yung flux natin? 2,351 Maxwell. Okay, for CGS kasi ang mu natin, tandaan 1 ang mu pagka CGS. So substitute natin yung formula ng reluctance. Take note, we have two reluctances para sa steel at para sa air. Parang resistor lang po ito sa electrostatics or electric circuits. Ngayon, sa substitute natin separately, reluctance ni steel plus reluctance ni air. 0.4 pi tapos 1/2. Substitute 2,351. Reluctance formula natin is length over mu O mu R. Paki-recall yon. Length mu O mu R A. Okay, so length natin 10 centimeters for steel. And then mu O mu R, so 1 times 3,000. Ang area is 1.5. Ganun din po sa air. Length niya is 2. Okay, take note ang CGS, kaya hindi ko na kino-convert. In centimeters na tayo. 1. Air naman yan, kaya 1 as in. Ba't ko pa nilagay na 2 1? Okay, di ba ang air mu O or mu niya is 1 automatic yan. And 1.5 din ang kanyang cross-sectional, same cross-section of 1.5. Divided by 0.4 pi, 1/2. Okay, lalabas dito engineers, number of turns is 5,000. Okay, total reluctance na to, pinigay. To produce. Okay, kaya parang ganito yan actually. Flux total reluctance na total. Number 22, formula base. Column force formula. KQ1, Q2 over D squared. They use R squared. Kaya tanong dito, what F is proportional to? F is proportional to, nasaan ba si R squared? Nasa baba. Kaya ganyan ang itsura niya. Letter C. Number 23. And yan lang kasimple, engineers. Sana ma-perfect nyo tong quiz. 2 coils. Again, 80% coupling or K. If the inductance of one coil is 20 and the inductance of the other 16, find the mutual. Direct substitution, L1, L2. So mutual hinahanap, simply 20 times 16. Matik yan, millihenry kasi millihenry naman na sila pareho. So ang lalabas na answer nyo is also in millihenry. 24 tayo. A DC current of 50 amperes flows through a long straight. Take note, a long straight. Medyo nahirapan din akong isolve to, pero kung aalamin mo or ma-realize mong long straight conductor yan, meron lang naman tayong dalawang formula for long straight conductor to find H. That is equal to I over 2 pi R. Now, bakit ba kailangan ang H? Nagtataka kayo bakit kailangan ng H? Kasi po, H is intensity or strength yan. I-recall natin. Saan ba natin gagamitin yung formula na to? Sa pagkuha po ng strength. Kasi kinukumpara yung dalawang strength ano yung force between this magnetic strength. Ganun po siya. Ngayon, yung ating DC current, may strength siya. Ito siya. 50 amperes divided by 2 pi. Gano'ng kalayo yung hanapin nating strength? 5 centimeters. So, lagay natin. CGS lahat kasi dynes. Dynes is CGS. So, lagay natin 5 din dito kasi CGS. So, ang H natin, engineers, na makukuha ninyo ay 5 over pi. Now, force po yung hinahanap. Mayroon tayong Coulomb's law for magnetic circuit or magnetic Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. Same lang. That is Km1, M2 over R squared. Pero yung M1, M2 natin, yan po ay magnetic pole strength or intensity. Magnetic pole strength or intensity. Medyo related siya kay H. Bakit? Kasi po ang formula po ng H kapag i-relate mo siya sa magnetic pole strength or intensity is ito. H is equal to M 4 pi R squared. Okay? Now, ano bang mga magnetic pole strengths ang i-relate natin para kuhanin yung force? Una na po yung M1 for our conductor at ang ikalawa po is given siya, magnetic pole of 50 pole strength. Kung baka kunwari ito yung ating long straight conductor tapos may magnet dito na ang strength po niya 50 unit pole, magnetic strength. Tinatanong yung force na ma-receive doon, 5 centimeters from the conductor. So, substitute natin dito. Therefore, ang M1 natin, M2 na natin to yung parang magnet na malapit sa linya ng kuryente. Okay, so M1 natin is H 4 pi R squared. So, 5 over pi, 4 pi, 5 squared. Okay, ang lalabas po na value ni M1 is 500. Unit po nito ampere meter or as it is na lang. Then substitute natin, F is equal to 1 for CGS. Tandaan lagi CGS tayo. K is equal to 1. Additional na lang, pag SI naman, ang K po recall lang natin for SI is mu O over 4 pi yan. Or mu over 4 pi. Yan, mu over 4 pi. Pero pag CGS 1, substitute natin 500 times 50. Okay, divided by 5 squared. So F natin, engineers, is 1,000 dynes. Yan. Siyempre, aalamin muna natin ano ba yung magnetic strength din ng ating linya ng kuryente. Okay, yan po yan. Ito kasi, i-explain lang natin. Magnetic field to. Magnetic field intensity or strength. Yung M1, magnetic pole strength. Yan. Kaya yan, kinuha muna natin. Kasi nga, given na ang magnetic pole nung isa, M2 yon 50. Kunin natin din yung M1 for conductor. Yan. Ito po, gamit yung formula na yan. Okay, number 25. What is the average velocity? Again, self-inductance or induced voltage. E is equal to LDI dt. Ito, careful lang dito baka malong kasi kayo. Nasa choices yung isang wrong na answer. 50 millihenry, so okay na tayo sa 50 millihenry sa L. Current tayo. Sabi po, it carries a current of 10 amperes which reverses in 5 milliseconds. Diba aware naman tayo na ang linya is sinusoidal. Okay, ganyan. Paano nag-change ng direction? Positive siya sa unang half, nag-change ng direction, naging negative. Okay, kaya 10 minus negative 10. Okay, 10 minus negative 10. Kaya ang lalabas is equal to 300 volts. Ay, 300, 200 volts. Absolute lang din naman itong mga to, kaya okay lang magpaliktarin mo yung negative 10 sa 10. Absolute itong mga to dito. Kahit magbaliktad si negative 10 sa 10, kunwari ginawa mo negative 10 minus 10, from negative to positive peak, okay lang. Pares po lalabas. Pagka kasi hindi mo kinonsider yung negative 10, ang kinonsider nyo engineers 0 to 10, may 100 volts dun lalabas. Pero ang answer po, 200 volts. Babanggitin naman kung may current reversal or change in direction. Okay, 26 tayo. Okay, in series naman na capacitor, para siyang 310 microfarad capacitors are connected in series. Same lang sa sinolve natin kanina. So, 10 raised to negative 1, 10 raised to negative 1, 10 raised to negative 1. In series, raised to negative 1. Answer ay 3.33 micro din. Kasi micro naman lahat. 27 tayo. Itong 27, very short. Mukha lang mahirap. A wooden ring has a mean length of 100 and a cross-section of 10. A coil of 2,000. Na-imagine nyo po ba, sa wood na yon, ito, may pinaikot na wire dito, pinaikot-ikot. Tapos pinatungan na naman ng isa pang coil, 4,000 turns naman. Yung unang coil, 2,000 na ikot. Pinatungan niya ulit ng ikalawang coil, 4,000. The terminals of each coil are brought out separately. Take note, separate yung ating coils. Tinatanong lang po, inductance or L of the first coil. And ano bang formula natin for L? Mu O mu R A N squared, right? Divided by L. And substitute mo lang. Focus ka lang sa unang coil pag ganun. So constant 33. Walang binigay na mu R ba? Wala. So assume natin nasa air lang din yung ating... Ay, hindi pala. Binigay. Saan ba pinaikot? Hindi pinaikot sa air na parang ganyan lang. Air ito. Pero ito pinaikot po sa wood. So take note, ang ER po ng wood approximately 1 din lang kasi. Okay? Kaya kung narattle ka, wala namang permittivity. Sorry, pat ER yung nilalagay ko. Wala namang MUR ng wooden. Walang given, kamo. Pero approximately 1 lang din po kasi siya. 1.000005 ata. Hindi po ako nagkamali. Kaya 1 na lang, consider nyo. Then, A natin is 10 centimeters. So, 10 divided by 100 square. So, meter na to. And then, ang ating N, 2,000 turns squared. And then, mean length of 100 centimeter or 1 meter. Okay, equal lang din po to sa 1 meter and ito naman is 10 over 100 square meter naman to. Okay, ito. Kaya nilagay ko na po agad dyan. Sana hindi nalilito yung mga iba sa mga direct conversion na sinasubstitute natin. Practice nyo po yan para hindi naman kailangan na ang accurate, ang ayos mo na with cancellation of units. Kaya nga tayo nagre-review or nagsasolve ng maraming problems para ma-practice mo yung shorter way. Parang ito, idiretso mo na 10 divided by 100 square. Matic na yan, square meter na yung kakalabasan. Okay? So, answer dito po ay 5.03 millihenry. Okay, troubleshoot na lang lahat ng choices. I think milli dapat lahat ng choices. At 28 tayo. Two identical. What is the value of the mutual inductance? Parang same na to sa sinob natin kanina. Diba? Ang check ko. Same ko siya sa kanina. Para hindi na natin siya isolve. So na lang natin, total short lang naman solution. What is the mutual inductance? LTA minus LTO divided by 4. Sabi po kasi, have an equivalent inductances. Pag sinabi natin equivalent, total po yan. Bakit dalawa? Kasi connected in series aiding yung isa, tas series opposing naman po yung isa. And kilinaro ko yan nung lecture, kaya sana hindi kayo absent. Okay, subscript A, aiding, subscript O for opposing. Substitute nyo lang, and lagi namang mas malaki ang aiding sa opposing. Divided by 4, pares na millihenry, so yung kakalabasan yung answer is also in millihenry. Para hindi ka na magta times 10 raised to negative 3 yan, papatagal lang. Next, number 29. If the charge accumulated on two parallel conductors charged to 4 volts is 500 pico, what is the capacitance of the parallel conductors? Check natin yan. Okay, ano bang basic formula natin? Q is equal to CV, di ba? And ang hinahanap lang po is capacitance. So Q over V, 500 times 10 raised to negative 12 divided by 4 volts. Answer po ay 125 picofarad. Huwag mag-overthink, engineers. Itong two parallel conductors, i-consider mo na lang as C total. O sige, ilagyan ko na lang ng ganyan. Kasi di ba tinatanong what is the capacitance of the parallel conductors? Parang combination na po yun or total or equivalent. Kaya in terms of total tayo, Q total divided by voltage total. And binigay naman na charge is umabot ng 4 volts and in total then is 500 picocoulombs. Kaya direct substitution. Number 30. When an electron moves because of the pressure applied to it, what is the resulting process? Flow of current. And explain ko na rin yan nung lecture. Kung walang flow of current or walang magpupush na voltage, walang current. Or sorry, kung walang magpupush na voltage sa mga electrons, walang mapuproduce na current. Number 31. 2-point charges 10 apart exert a force of 1 times 10 on each other. Okay, yan na yung force. What is each charge in stat coulombs? 2-point charges. So equal. We assume Q1 is equal to Q2. So i-denote na lang natin sila as minsanang Q. Recall natin yung formula na KQ1 Q2 over R squared. Ang hinanap po natin value ng each. Or simply look for the value of Q. Ganyan. Diba? So from here, engineers, we simply substitute 1 times 10 raised to negative 3. Ano ba dito? Exert a force of 1 times 10 raised to negative 3. Stat coulomb, engineers, is for CGS yan CGS for charge. Okay, ang SI naman for Q is yung nasanay tayo na coulombs. Pero pagka CGS, ang Q po ay stat coulomb. Stat C. Okay, so 1 times 10 raised to negative 3, walang binanggit, pero dapat po ito ay Newton. Ito. Or this is also kilogram meters per square second. Ay, hindi, mass pala to. Sorry, mass yan. Walang binigay kasi. Assume natin na mass yan. Walang binigay, di ba, na unit niya, pero pag troubleshoot nyo kasi to, tinroubleshoot ko din po siya, is must be mass. Force of 1 times 10 raised to negative 3 on each other. And take note, ba't G yung nilagay ko? Mass. And to find the force, mass times acceleration. Diba? So substitute natin yan, 1 times 10 raised to negative 3. I-times natin sa gravitational acceleration na 981 centimeters per square second. Now, bakit 981? CGS po tayo. This is also equal to 9.81 meters per square second. Pero pag CGS, 981. Move lang natin ng twice. Substitute K, which is for CGS is 1. Unknown CQ is squared. Then divided by 10. As it is kasi as CGS tayo. And if you shift solve these engineers, you will get 9.9 stat column. Ulitin ko po, wag malito. Yung given kasi na force, kapag ginamit nyo yan, may wrong or walang lalabas. Kaya i-troubleshoot natin, dapat ito mass pa lang yung binigay. Kaya to find the force, kunin mo yung weight nila. Force is mass times gravitational acceleration. So, times natin sa G. So, mg. 9.9. Okay, 32. A soft iron ring is wound with a coil of 600 when the current through the coil is decreased from 12 to 7. So as you can see, engineers, there is a change in current. So talagang merong ma-induce na voltage dyan. Or merong self-inductance na tinatawag din. Okay? Wait lang, may babalikan ako. Sana yung kanina, inductance. Okay, ito, E equals L di dt. Pagka may change in current, mayroong induced voltage. Okay, tandaan po yun. Okay, dito tayo. Calculate the self-inductance of the coil. Diba kanina present ko po yung there are two ways na magkakaroon ng self-inductance or induced voltage sa mismong na wound na coil. Pwedeng ang way ng pagsosolve L di dt or pwede rin pong N T flux dt. Okay, pagka i-relate nyo po itong dalawang to, kukunin natin ang L self-inductance. Okay, ang mangyayari po ganito, N T flux dt divided by di dt. Kaya dito po na-derive yung bakit nagkaroon tayo ng gantong equation for L or self-inductance. Kasi galing lang din dito sa self-induced voltage. Okay, kasi nga hand in hand yan. Walang self-induced kung walang change in current. Ganon din po sa inductor. Yan, sa substitute lang natin engineer, 600 turns. Meron bang change in flux? Meron, 965 to 960. So minus mo lang, microweber minus 96. Sorry, mas malaki na lang para hindi negative yung ating answer. So 965 minus 960 microweber divided by change in time. Walang binanggit, diba? So ilagay lang natin na ganyan. And then, ganoon din po si current. So from 12 to 7 amperes. Tapos change in time din. And minsanan lang naman nangyayari to or sabay, kaya cancel out ang change in time. Maging ganyan po yung answer. Okay, kaya kung ikakat natin to in short, ang main formula po ng L, d flux over di. Yan. Ito po yung nakikita ninyo sa libro. Ito, engineers, i-memorize nyo to. Self-inductance. Self-inductance of a coil. And d flux over dt, kaya over di. Kaya tingnan nyo yung ating solution. Change in flux sa taas, change in current sa baba. Answer po ay 0.6 millihenry. Letter B. Number 33, again, an easy question. What is the force on the conductor? Ito naman force ng each conductor to. Pinopossess na force ng conductor pagka nandun siya sa isang magnetic field. Tendency niya gagalaw siya. Pagka, yun nga, yung repulsion at attraction na tinatawag. 0.95, 3.6, 0.80, sine of 90, right angle. Force is 2.736 Newton. Okay, which statement is true? Letter D yan. Magnetic flux lines do not have sources or sinks. 35. Yung 35 mukha lang siyang mahirap pero ganito lang po siya, parang mechanics lang yung way ng pagsasolve. Sa mechanics ngayon natin, yung mga forces, 2 equal positive charges, 2 microcoulomb is 6 centimeters apart. Ito, 2 microcoulomb each to. Positive point charges. Interact with a third point, 4 coulombs. Find the magnitude of the total force on Q. Okay, ito. Malaking Q. Ito kasi maliliit na Q to eh. Base sa given natin. If 0.5 meters from the other two charges, ito. Parehas po na 0.5. Kaya parang kinalabasan is parang triangle. Tinatanong po yung force na nag-act dito. I-assume natin, di ba, positive, tapos positive din siya. Okay, ang tendency magsisi-repel sila, di ba? Ganyan. Positive silang lahat eh. Positive point, a third point charge. Assume natin positive din, parang ganyan. Pero kung tutuusin, engineers, parang ganito yan. Dito sa point Q tayo at point Q, yung malaking Q, doon kasi tayo naghahanap ng force. Find the magnitude of the total force on Q kasi. Eh parehas ang F dito. Yung FQ at saka FQ dito parehas. Dito tayo, hanapin natin tong F net, force at Q. Tama? Itong FQ na maliliit, kanya-kanyang force nila yan. Pero kung i-extend yung engineers, parang ganito yan eh, yung free body diagram niya. Ito yung F net na hinahanap natin, ito yung point Q. This is your FQ na maliit, and then FQ. Tama? Now, kailangan nating makuha yung values ng FQ. Bakit? Kasi base po dito sa diagram natin, baba ko lang. Okay, base sa diagram natin, engineers, pagka mag-summation of forces at Y ka, magiging ganito yan eh. Dapat i-project mo yung FQ dito. Pati rin yung maliit na FQ dito. Para sasabihin natin, F net is equal to twice FQY. Assuming ito yung FQY natin. Ipo-project natin kasi siya in Y-axis. Eh ano bang angle to? Okay? 0.6 yan. Diba ganyan yan? Ito, ano bang angle ito? Ito yung hinahanap natin. Or ito kasi yung FY eh. Ito, FQY. Kung ilalabas natin yung triangle na yan, engineers, parang ganito siya. Ito yung FQY. Kumbaga component, maalala nyo yung component natin. Dito yung FQ. Ito yung angle natin. Ano bang relationship ng angle na yan sa isa't isa? Ano bang ito eh? Adjacent over hypotenuse, di ba? Cosine theta to. So ito 0.3 kasi kalahati ng 0.6. Pero ito wala pa tayong value dito. Gaano kataas? Assume ko po this is Y. Kataas. By Pythagorean theorem, madali nyo lang pumahanap ang Y. Yung distance na yan kasi 0.5 po yun. Yung hypotenuse ito, 0.5 naman siya. So 0.5 squared minus 0.3 squared, ang Y natin engineers is equal to 0.4. Okay, so from here, kunin natin yung component. Ano ba ang value ng 2FQY? Base na lang dito engineers. sa ating triangle. I-relate mo si FQ at saka si FQY. Kasi dyan nga naka-parallel or naka-align si FNet eh. Hindi pwedeng FQ lang ang gagamitin mo. I-parallel mo siya or i-align sa FNet kasi ngayon kailangan natin kunin. Net force kumbaga. So, di ba cosine? F cosine theta yan. FQ cosine theta. Okay, FQ cosine theta. Ito yung FQ natin kanina. FQY ang kailangan natin. Ito engineers o itong patayo. Ito yung meron sa, ito yung naka-align sa FNet. Kaya ikunin lang natin yung component ni FQ sa Y axis. Kaya i-relate mo lang, cosine theta is equal to adjacent FQY over FQ, di ba? Ito, FQ cosine theta. Bakit times 2? Baka nagtaka kayo bakit times 2? Siyempre, may FQ ka sa kabilang side, may FQ ka sa kabilang side. Eh, parehas yun. 2 equal positive point charges, 2 microcoulomb. Okay? Yun yung ating, kaya times 2. Ito, kaya dalawa rin yung broken arrow ko dito sa aking diagram. Yan, dalawa. Yan, substitute natin. FQY over FQ is also FQY over FQ, tignan mo doon, parehas lang din yan sa 0.4 over 0.5, di ba? Pag ratio. Yan, baka malito yung iba. E, ganyan na lang muna. Okay, so yan, na-detect na natin ano yung hinahanap. So kunin muna natin yung FQ or FQ. That is equal to 9 times 10 raised to 9 times, engineers, wag malituan. Saan ba located yung FQ? Force na ina-act ng maliit na Q sa malaking Q. Ito, sa hinahanap natin. So, ang i-relate mo dito, yung dalawang yan. Yung QQ. So, lagay natin dito, Q na malaki at Q na maliit. Over 0.5 squared. So, ang FQ natin, engineers, pag itutuloy natin ito, this is equal to 4. And then, yung maliit natin is 2 microcoulomb over 0.5 squared. Ang FQ ninyo na lalabas is 2.88. 0.288, I mean. Okay, once na nakuha nyo na yan, substitute nyo na dito. Oh. Kahit wag nyo nakunin yung cosine theta kasi ratio lang din yan ng ating sides. Therefore, FNet now is equal to twice 0.288. Ano ba yung ratio ng cosine theta? Ito. Cosine theta, tignan mo, ang nire-relate lang din dyan, 0.3 over 0.4. Ito. Kaya lagay mo na lang times, ay baliktad, 0.4 over 0.5. Okay, 0.4 to. Adjacent is 0.4, hypotenuse is 0.5. Yan na yung ating answer, engineers. Total net force acting on Q is equal to 0.46. Kasi logic lang din naman yan eh. Tingnan mo, imagine mo. Meron kang point Q. Sige, magbago akong drawing. Meron kang point Q, may charge yan. Itong point Q. May charge yan. May maliliit na Q dito kasi may charge din sila, tig 2 microcoulomb. Siyempre, may force yan na i-act dito, di ba? May force din yan na i-act dyan. So ano yung total force? Yun yung hinahanap kasi natin FNet. Kaya ang kinalabasan po, twice ng FQ cosine theta. Bakit? Ito kasi yung FQ mo eh. FQ mo yan. Eh hindi yan naka-align sa FNet. Kaya kinuha po natin yung component nila which is ito. Yan po yung FQY na dalawa. Tig sarili nilang FQY. FQY ni Q at FQY ni Q rin. Yun po yung sinolve natin. Tapos pinag-add. Yan ang ating answer. Okay, 36 tayo. Again, direct substitution. Paki-picture na lang to, engineers, itong ating sinolve na number 35. Yan, paki-analyze na lang ulit kung medyo naguluhan. Basta parang mechanics application lang din po to. Yan, ba't nag-move siya ng sobra. Konti na lang, short na lang din yung solutions ng mga to. Yan, picturean nyo na to. Yan. Next, 36. Mutual inductance ulit ata. Okay, unity coupled or K is equal to 1. What is the mutual inductance? KL1, L2. So 1, 6 times 8. Answer ay 7 Henry. Number 37. What is the force between? Force between, may nire-relate tayong mga charges. So KQ1, first charge over second charge times the distance. Or R, pares lang yan. So this is equal to 9 times 10 raised to 9 for SI. 2 times 10 raised to negative 5 first charge. And 3 times 10 raised to negative 6 another charge. Divided by 0.10 squared. Okay, ang makukuha nyo pong answer dito, engineers, is 54 newtons. Wala sa choices, yung 54 newtons. Kasi nakamass. Okay, recall natin, relationship ng force sa mass is just the gravitational constant. So, mass now is force divided by G. 54 divided by 9.81. Mass po na ibibigay is 5.5 kilogram. And careful lang, baka sinagot mo agad C. Kasi malapit sa 54 Newton. Wrong yun. Tingnan yung units. Next, number 38. Another direct substitution. What is the current? An air core toroidal coil. Okay, again, sabi natin walang flux kung wala kasing current. And ano bang relationship ng flux sa currents? Yung lion natin na formula. So what is the current? So Li baliktad, flux N over L. So ang flux is 1.2 times 10 raised to negative 6 Weber. So SI ito. 120 turns and inductance of walang inductance. But recall, ano bang formula natin for inductance? Mu O mu R AN squared over L. Diba? So substitute ko na dito, constant 33. Walang binanggit kung saan pinaikot. Ay, dito air, pinaikot kaya 1. Cross-sectional area is 12 square centimeters. So 12 divided by 100 squared meters na yan. And then N natin is 120 squared divided by length of 0.12. Yan po yung ating L. So answer dito, engineers, is 0.7960 amperes ang pumasok or dumaan, nag-energize sa coil. Once na na-energize yung coil kasi magkikreate yan ng flux na 1.2, yun yung ibig sabihin. Magkaroon ng induced voltage din dyan. 39. Again, ito. Bilisan na lang natin kasi puro naman direct substitution. $39. two equally charged spheres. Take note, equal charge engineers. So, i-denote na lang natin Q1 is equal to Q2. So, sa solution natin, gawin na lang natin minsan ng Q. Kaya ang kakalabasan, KQ squared over D. Engineers, wag malito D or R, it's okay. Since nag-R na ako kanina, mag-R na lang ulit ako. Bang hinahanap? Force of 0.1. So may napansin ba kayo pagka pala electrostatics, ang force nila kinukonsider na parang mass. Okay, kaya tandaan yon, mga ganyan na mga details. Pero nga, mass yan, so ita-times pa natin ng kanilang weight. Weight ng gravitational acceleration. So 9 times 10 raised to 9, same ang charge, so Q squared divided by 0.20 squared meters dapat. Find the charge, ship solve engineers, you will get 2.09 times 10 raised to negative 6 coulombs. Letter D. Okay, konti na lang. Number 40. A 12 microfarad capacitor charged at 500 volts. At 6 microfarad capacitor charge at 250 volts. May napansin po kayo, kada capacitor meron silang sariling charge. Ibig sabihin, kada capacitor meron din silang sariling Q1. Kasi nga charged at a certain voltage. So why not kunin natin connected in parallel parallel connection. Take note, for parallel connection, their charges is the sum. Okay, parang current lang kasi ang Q parang current lang. Diba kapag ka-parallel ang circuit, ang current ina-add din natin. So same din kasi po ang charge. So una natin is, since Q is equal to CV, substitute lang natin 12 microfarad times 500 volts plus 6 microfarad times 250 volts. Yan, ang lalabas dito, engineers, is 7.5 millicoulombs. Therefore, ano ba hinahanap? What is the potential difference of the combination? When we say combination, total po yan. So, Q total is equal to C total, V total. Galing dito pa rin. Therefore, V total is Q total over C total. Walang problema sa Q total. We solve it as 7.5 times 10 raised to negative 3. Ang C total naman natin in parallel correction, para lang yung series. So, pag-a-adding nyo lang. 12 times 10 raised to negative 6 plus 6 times 10 raised to negative 6. Answer po dito ay 417 volts. Series connection. Parang series connection sila. I-add nyo lang. Series connection ng resistor, I mean. Again, 41. Bonus nyo lang din po ito, 41. Kasi maraming beses nang may lumabas na ganito. K of 1 ulit, coupling or link of 1. Find the inductance of the other coil. KL1, L2. Mutual inductance binigay, 6 po siya. And K is 1. Other coil, the inductance of one coil kasi is 12. So unknown si L2. Ship solve engineers, L2 is equal to 3 millihenry. Ganyan siya. Number 42. May nakalap dito. Energy stored in capacitor. 1/2 CV squared. Okay, substitute lang natin. Given na lahat. 1/2 formula for C, EOER. Substitute na natin agad. Constant 32. ER, binigay ba? Yan. Relative permittivity of 3.5. Area 60 over 100 squared over D. 1.5 times 10 raised to negative 3. Okay? EOER A over D. Di ba yun yung formula natin for capacitance? And then ang V natin is 1,000 volts. So 1,000 squared, answer engineers is 62 microjoule. A charge of 0.75 coulomb passes through a wire every 15 seconds. What is most nearly the current in the wire? I is the rate of change of the charge kasi. Yan po yung another formula natin. Mas ma-encounter nyo po ito sa transients later on. So 0.75 divided by 15, answer I 50 milliamperes. (44) Two electrons are placed at a certain distance between each other. The force between them. Take note, dalawa daw na electrons. Parehas yan na negatively charged, di ba? Pag same charges, the tendency is to repel or repulsion ang force. Parehas kasi na negative. Parehas kumbaga na North Pole or South Pole. Di ba ang magnet hindi mo mapagdidikit pagka parehas sila ng pole. Ganon din sa statics. Pagka parehas ng charge, hindi yan didikit. Find the force between a proton. So, napakarami na nating nasolve na ganito. Force. KQ1, Q2 over G squared. So 9 times 10 raised to 9. Proton and electron. Take note, proton and electron has the same magnitude ng charge. Engineers, positively charged lang kasi to. Ito naman negatively charged. So positive, parehas, pero parehas sila po na Q is equal to 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19. Or that is also equal to constant 23. Parehas. Ano ba ako? Constant 23 ba yun? Yeah, parehas. Parehas po sila na 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19. Ang pinagkaiba lang po ay sign. Kaya kung parehas na charge, positive at negative, di ba ang tendency? Kung kanina repulsion or repel, pagka opposite sign naman or opposite charges, they tend to attract. So ang sagot nyo lang dyan, A or C. So substitute natin, parehas naman na 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19 divided by 1 times 10 raised to negative 6. Ang lalabas dito, engineers, 2.3 times 10 raised to negative 16. Okay? Ito na, pipiliin mo. A or C lang naman kasi yan Attract. Attraction yan. Kasi positive at negative. Okay, 46. Para makapag-break na tayo. A negatively charged particle is placed in a uniform electric field. Ito yung electric field natin Pag sinabi nating electric field, yung parang nasa loob po yan ng capacitor, may electric field na nakikreate kasi dyan. Ganon din sa coil naman, mayroon namang magnetic field or flux naman. Okay, sana napagko-compare nyo sila, electric field at magnetic field. Ang direction daw ng electric field from south to north. Ito yung electric field natin, ganyan itsura niya. Ngayon, naglagay ka ng negatively charged particle. Tandaan po to engineers pagka naglagay ka ng negatively charged particle sa electric field, ang tendency ng movement po niya, opposite. Parang kukontrahin niya yung direction ng electric field. So kung from south to north ang electric field, tas naglagay ka ng negatively charged particle, mag-move yung particle po papuntang south. Kukontrahin niya. In which direction will the particle move? Kontra po siya, papunta siya ng south. Okay, 47. Three particles are placed at the corners of the equilateral triangle with the side A is equal to 1. So ito yung equilateral triangle natin. Meron tayong 3 particles. Yung top particle has a positive charge, 3. And the bottom particles has negative 3 coulomb charge. What are the value of and the direction of the field exactly at the center of the circle. Center of the triangle dito. Electric field. Okay? So ano bang formula natin for electric field? That is kq squared over r squared. Again, dito po yung hinahanapan natin ng electric field, total. Siyempre, itong mga to may kanya-kanyang contribution. Electric field sige, i-denote natin this is 1, this is 2, tsaka 3 point or particles. So, electric field ni 1, electric field ni 2, at tsaka electric field po ni 3. Substitute lang natin. Si 3 columns, si electric field ni 3 columns, ito siya, itong distance na to. To distance. So, maging distance natin, engineers, this is also equal to 1 over square root of 3. Gamitan nyo yan ng trigo, ito lalabas. Okay? So, substitute natin for electric field ni 1, that is 9 times 10 raised to 9. Ang Q natin is 3 columns divided by 1 over square root of 3. Kaso kasi naka-centimeter eh. Diba? 1 centimeter. Naka-centimeter to. So, kung convert natin, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Yan, squared. Yan na si E1. Doon tayo kay E2 tsaka E3. Take note po, itong E2 at tsaka E3, di ba itong unang electric field natin, same ang direction? Ganyan. Dapat magkaka-align yung electric field natin. So, dito naman tayo. Dapat ito, na electric field. Okay? Tandaan po ito ang para makuha mo yung ito, E2 na ito, ay E3 yan, E2 rin ito. Equal yan sila, di ba? So mag times 2 na lang tayo dito kasi equal naman. Para po makuha nyo po itong E2 tsaka E3, half po iyan ng ito, half siya neto. Kasi di ba ito is also point o distance di rin lang yan. Parehas yan sa 1 over square root of 3. Wait lang, check ko. Okay. Balikan ko wrong tong ating solution. Naging hawig naman na siya sa force. Walang square yan. Ito siya. Okay, yan. Balikan ko yung dito na i-resin ko lang itong direction, makamalito kasi kayo. Ngayon, doon tayo sa unang point or particle na nalaman na natin yung electric field niya. Positive siya, di ba? Assume natin itong point na to negative, kaya nag-attract siya from positive to negative. Ngayon, kung ikaw itong negative 3 columns na nasa baba, negative yung nasa gitna, di ba ang tendency mo magre-repel ka pa ganon? Okay, pero again, just like yung sinolve natin yung force kanina, yung parang mechanics, dapat ang electric field natin align yan. Parang itong drawing ko dito, magkaka-align dapat. Hindi yan kung saang-saang direction. So ito yung kukunin natin na electric field. Okay, so ito, E2y tsaka E3y din. Ito kasi yung E2 natin na sinusolve kanina. E3 naman to. Lagyan ko ng y para makita nyo. Actually, may y din tong 1. Pero nataon kasi na diretso naman na siyang yan, kaya as it is. Okay, take note, E2y is equal to E3y. Kasi parehas po sila ng charge, kaya nilagay ko na lang po dito 2 times. Susulat natin, 9 times 10 raised to 9, 3 columns, tapos 1 over square root of 3 times 100 centimeter, 1 meter squared. Take note, yung distance po ng particle 2 at particle 3 sa gitna is also D, yung sinabi ko kanina. 1 over square root of 3 rin, kaya nilagay ko dyan. Pero careful lang kayo, engineers. Ito, values to ng, itong sinolve ko po na to, value yan mismo ng E2 tsaka E3 ito. Bibilugan ko, E2 tsaka E3. Kaya nga yung distance na ginamit ko is ito rin. Kakapalan ko na lang. Kaya ito rin yung ginamit kong distance. 1 over square root of 3 din po yan. Kung kahit itry nyo yan ng trigo, yan po yung lalabas. 1 over square root of 3. Kasi binigay naman, side ng triangle is 1 centimeter. Okay, so yung sinolve ko po na to, ulitin ko ito, itong brinakit ko, E2 tsaka E3 yan. Pero sabi nga natin, i-align natin sa Y direction. Ang difference lang po ng E2 sa E3, ganito lang. E3Y is half lang po ni E2. E3Y half lang po ni E3. Ganon din po siya. Si E2Y, di ba pre-project kasi natin sa Y direction, half lang din po ni E2. Okay? Kaya ang mangyayari dito, engineers, lalagyan ko lang ng 2 dito. Half kasi, sabi ko kanina. Okay, kaya yan, i-type mo yan sa calculator, ang lalabas po dito is 1.62 times 10 raised to 15 Newton per coulomb. Okay, kung tinamad ka, napansin mo ito yung naiiba, typo error, tama po yung answer nyo. And bottom yan, base na lang din sa direction ng aking mga pinagdodrawing. Okay, pa-bottom, pababa. Okay, ulitin ko po, para lang din yan yung force na sinolve natin kanina, di ba in triangle din yon. I-align nyo lang, dapat pare-parehas yung line of action nila. Ito, ginawa natin pare-parehong in y-axis. Ito, y-axis. Ito, y-axis. Y. Ayan, ito yung naging main na direction ng field natin. Kapalan natin si E2Y, si E3Y, at saka si E1Y. Ito. Si E1Y kasi na positive 3 columns, walang problema dyan eh. Patayo siya, directly na siya sa may gitna. Okay, itong mga E2-3, ganyan yung itsura niya eh. Kung tutuusin, ganito po itsura niya, ganyan. Pero pares na negative, kaya in-extend ko po pababa na ganyan. Ito siya, si E2. Ito. Tsaka ito rin si E3. Hindi siya naka-align sa y-axis. So, kinuha natin yung values nila na to. Okay? Naintindihan? Intindihan po ba? So same tong 48, permeability, conductivity lang din. Same kanina. An air gap, ang reason po niyan is to, wait lang, check ko yung key answer. Prevent saturation, kaya may air gap. And then lastly, number 50, bakit nga ba may laminated cores sa machines? Para mabawasan yung eddy current loss. Kasi 'di ba may induced current pa rin kasi doon sa ating kung saan winuwound po yung coil or wire. May current din doon. So to minimize eddy current loss, laminated cores, yung ay mga thin sheets maninipis na metal ang ginagamit as core. Yan, engineers, kung wala ng question, pwede na tayo mag-out. Para sa mga hindi nakahabol, basahin ko na lang ulit yung key answer. Number 1, boy, 2 apple. 3 apple, 4 boy, 5 cat, 6 dog, 7 boy, 8 apple, 9 apple, 10 apple, 11 apple, 12 dog, 13 apple, 14 dog, 15 cat, 16 boy, 17 cat, 18 dog, 19 cat, 20 cat, 21 boy. Troubleshoot kasi yan yung 21. Instead na 500 turns, 5,000 turns dapat yun. Kasi pansinin mo rin yung ibang choices, puro in terms of thousand. Ano ba yung number 21? Hindi ko napansin kanina. Yan, ito, 5,000 turns. Letter B. 22 cat, 23 boy, 24 cat, 25 boy, 26 apple, 27 cat, 28 boy, 29 dog, 30 dog, 31 dog, 32 boy, 33 apple, 34 dog, 35 boy, 36 cat, 37 boy, 38 dog, 39 dog, 40 apple, 41 apple, 42 cat, 43 dog, 44 apple, 45 cat, 46 up, 46 cat, 47 dog, 48 cat, 49 cat, 50 boy. Engineers, God bless. Give na tayo.